Hello, I'm Tony, a verified process server here in Delaware and a proud team member at Mighty Process Server. I've been serving legal documents throughout the state, helping to ensure that due process is properly upheld in every case I handle. Today, I want to give you a quick overview of Delaware's process server laws, and what you need to know if you're involved in serving or receiving legal documents. First off, it's important to know that in Delaware, process servers do not need to be licensed. This means that any individual who is not a party to the case and is at least 18 years old can serve process. This flexibility allows for a variety of people to handle the delivery of legal documents, whether it's the sheriff or a qualified private server like me. Delaware's service of process is governed by Rule 4 of the Delaware Rules of Civil Procedure. This rule lays out the different ways legal documents can be delivered, how writs should be issued, and the requirements for getting these documents to the correct parties. When a case begins, the clerk of the court issues the necessary process, which is then delivered for service by either the county sheriff or another person appointed by the court. Now, let's break down the methods of service you might encounter. Personal service. This is the standard approach, where I, or another server, deliver the documents directly into the hands of the defendant. If the defendant isn't present, we can leave the paperwork at their home with someone who is of suitable age and discretion. Service by mail. Although less common, there are instances where documents can be sent via certified mail, especially if the defendant resides outside the state. Substituted service. If direct service isn't possible, we may leave the documents with a responsible individual at the defendant's home or workplace, ensuring they receive the information in a timely manner. Service on businesses. For corporations or partnerships, we deliver the documents to an officer, managing agent, or other authorized representative of the entity. Service by publication. If all other methods fail and the defendant can't be located, we might resort to publishing a notice in a widely circulated newspaper within the area where the case is being handled. Moving on to subpoenas, which are covered under Rule 45. In Delaware, subpoenas can be served by the sheriff or any individual over the age of 18 who is not a party to the case. Like the service of process, the delivery must be made directly to the person named, and we have to file proof of service with the court. Rule 5 of the Delaware Rules of Civil Procedure also governs the service and filing of pleadings and other legal papers. It ensures that all parties in a case are properly informed of each stage of the legal proceedings, maintaining transparency throughout the process. It's also worth mentioning that laws related to civil procedures and process serving can change, especially in a state like Delaware where lobbyists are active. That's why it's a good idea to keep up to date with any legislative changes by visiting the Delaware State Legislature's official website. If you're looking for a reliable process server or if you're interested in joining a network of trusted professionals, take a look at our Mighty Process Server directory. You'll find a comprehensive list of verified process servers across the United States, each one ready to handle your legal needs with precision and care. Visit our directory today to connect with the best in the business. Your legal documents deserve to be in good hands, and we're here to make sure that happens.